Hi, welcome back to My Rustic Glam Life. If you are new, thanks for joining us. We do all kinds of stuff on our channel, from unboxings, which is very popular, of different companies, to home improvement projects, DIY crafts. So just take a look, like and subscribe, and you can see all different things. And today we're going to be doing the jewelry box subscription of Silver and Gold. This is a monthly box at $35 a month. You can get $10 off your first month by going to their website. We buy these ourselves, so we're not affiliated, so these are our opinions. And here we go. I love these boxes. Of course, on the inside it always has a bonus discount, so 20% online. Again, it's silverandgold.com. And there's a sales flyer. We're just going to get beyond that. See how cute it is? Now these are, if you haven't seen one of these before, this is real jewelry. So if it's pearls, it's real pearls. It's sterling silver. And then sometimes there's gold. I think it's usually like a gold plate over sterling silver. But I think I have a pair of earrings that are just 14 karat gold. I don't know a lot about the boxes yet. They all come in these cute little pouches. So here we go. Oh, cute. Now, I know you're not going to be able to see real close on the video, so we will link pictures of each item as a close-up down below. But these are cute little diamond or CZ earrings. It's a cluster, and they're in like a teardrop shape. These are super cute. These are Ivy and Anne. Love them. Little gold ones. Can't wait to see these. Nice and dainty. Gotta try those on later. I love jewelry, which is why we picked this box. These are cute for summer. These are a French wire, rose gold, little dragonfly earrings. Cute. Again, we'll do some nice close-ups afterwards. And I will tell you how much each thing is worth after I'm done opening it. This is really cute. Now this would match the first one. This is in yellow gold. It's a nice box chain, and it's a little teardrop CZ. Cute. So I love this. I love this because I love jewelry, so I can keep all of these for myself, which I probably will on these. And you can also use them as gifts. Christmas is coming. It's July. I know nobody wants to think about that, but this way you can keep an item and gift some items. They come in a cute package already. So the July box, here's what's in your box. Gold-plated sterling silver summer dragonfly earrings, retail for $64.99. 14 karat gold over sterling silver solitaire pendant, retails for $49.99. And a cubic zirconia gold-plated sterling silver earrings, $34.99. Retail price of $149.97, and we pay $35 for this box. Comes once a month, and it's quick. If they take the money out, you have a box just a few days later. So I love this subscription. It's one of my favorite ones right now, probably because it's jewelry, but also it's inexpensive. They're packaged so cute. I can keep them, I can gift them, whatever. Okay, so I tried the necklace on really quick, and we have 2 boxes ago I got a necklace. Last month's box, it was, I think I got all earrings, but I love the necklaces. They're dainty. This is beautiful. The only problem is both necklaces I've gotten so far have been 16-inch. I don't know if there's a way to change that, if you can email them or not, but that's the only downside I see to the box. I have another chain. I'll just put it on another chain for now and use this one as a gift for someone, but just wanted to let you know that because I love the boxes, just short chains. I just want you to know that. So if you like this, please hit like, subscribe. I can never say subscribe, and share this. Help us get to 1,000 followers in the next month by the end of July. We would so appreciate it. So as always, thanks for coming. Please follow along with us. We have several boxes we'll be doing. We only do one a day, so I hope you liked it. Thanks.